So now here's my account and I have about 35.37 USDT, right? So what you're just required to do is to tap on trade. I'm going to tell you how I end all of this at the end of the video, but this is what you have to do if you're following the same thing I did. So this is PN/USDT, so we have to change it to FMC. You now have FMC and USDT, and the USDT was the FMC I converted. So now I'm going to tap on FMC. You have to search for yours in the search bar there. So tap on 100% and you're going to tap on sell. Now what I want you to take note of is this is actually on limit, so I'm going to cancel it. I want it to be done within seconds. So change the limit to market. Tap on limit here and just change it to market. Then do the same again. Tap on 100% and tap on sell. So now I just sold my FMC. Let me check my wallet to see. Let me refresh. Okay, now I have 35.35 USDT. Now I can withdraw it to my Binance account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this USDT to BNB. I will explain why I'm doing this at the end of the video. It is very important you do it to BNB or you do it to PN. But I suggest BNB because the fee is very low, and I will tell you what you need to know at the end of the video. So now I'm going to tap on this FMC/USDT and I'm going to select BNB/USDT, which is the first option here. So immediately I tap on BNB/USDT, I'm going to tap on buy. I'm buying BNB. I have USDT. I want you to follow the same process so you do not make a mistake. So now 100% and I'll tap on buy. So now I'm going to get BNB. Let me go back to my account and I'm going to refresh. Okay, now I have BNB and a little USDT left. So now I'll tap on BNB and I'll tap on withdraw. I'm withdrawing it directly to my Binance account so I can sell. So now I'm just going to log into my Binance account real quick, and on my Binance account I'm going to tap on deposit. I will get my wallet address and then end back to my FMCP account. So now just tap on deposit on your Binance account. Tap on deposit crypto. You have to follow the same thing, please. Tap on deposit crypto. Then in the search bar you can type in BNB, or you actually scroll through this and select BNB yourself. So I can't find it, so I have to just search BNB. Now you are going to select your BEP20 wallet address, which is the first one here. Make sure it is BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Now copy your address and head back to your FMC Pay app. So now right here in the address, you are going to paste it in. You're going to select the network, which is BEP20, and you're going to put in the amount. Now here's the thing, you'll be charged 0.01 BNB from what you're sending. So make sure you always subtract it from the available balance you have. So now this is not going to be successful since I typed in all the amount I have. It is not going to be successful. So you need to subtract it from what you're sending and send the remaining one. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So once you do that, you're going to get something like this. I'm going to skip this process because I'm pretty sure this is not going to work. So as you can see, your withdrawal fee is so it doesn't work. If you get something like this, all your BNB will be gone, but you have nothing to worry about. It is going to be added to your balance between 30 minutes to 1 hour, so you can actually do it all over again. So now I'm back. I've actually done the subtraction, and this is what I should have left on my account if I'm to subtract 0.01 BNB. So now I'm going to put in the code real quick, and I'm just going to tap on confirm. So now as you can see, I've actually placed withdrawal, and I'm going to expect it on my Binance account. So now I should have something like this left. I didn't send all, so I'm going to expect it on my Binance account, and once it arrives on my Binance account, I can sell directly to my local bank account. So it's already processing on Binance. I'm just going to wait for it to process successfully and be added to my balance. Okay, trade, then you tap on convert. So now I'm going to select BNB. This is BNB and USDT. So I'm going to tap on maximum. So convert. In case you do not know, I was charged about 2.5 USDT for the transfer from my FMC Pay account. So now I'm just going to transfer it to my funding wallet so I can withdraw directly to my bank account. So now I have some USDT there before and I'm going to sell all. So now I'm going to do a P2P transaction. Normally, you know how to do a P2P transaction, and it's going to be credited directly to my bank account. So I'm going to tap on sell and I'm selling all. I'm selecting my payment method, and let me just skip this video to the part where the merchant actually paid directly to my account. So now I actually checked my account and it's there. And as you can see, I'm done with the transaction. So now, if you're wondering how I actually earned all of that for free, now this is the FMC Pay app, and on this app, there are two ways to actually earn. One is very effective, and the second is just the normal way. You can check the link in the description. There is a link in the description. It should be the first link in the description. It's going to take you directly to the download page where you can actually download this app and register an account for yourself. Now, this app has a token and it is called the FMC token. This is the FMC token right here. And once you register an account on this app and you get your account verified, you're going to get 2,500 FMC. So now, for you to actually get your account verified, once you register an account, I suggest you download the app and you tap on your profile at the top left corner. Immediately you tap on it, you're going to see a symbol. Yours is going to show unverified here. So you tap on it and you'll see the steps required for you to actually verify your account. Now, if you want to verify your account, I want you to note that you must be over 18 years. You must use a national identity card, your NIN card, either the normal card or the premium card, or your voter's card. Your voter's card is going to work perfectly. And please make sure, if your document doesn't have an expiry date, shows between 2030 and 2031. If you are watching this video in, let's say, 2024, choose 2031 rather, or 2032, you understand? So once you get your account verified like this, you're going to be given 2,500 FMC token, which you cannot actually withdraw, because the minimum withdrawal you need on this app is actually about 15 USDT. So now in my account, I have about 2.76. So now another way you can actually earn on this app is if you refer your friends and your families and they get verified. Now, for every single person you refer, you're getting 2,500 FMC token, which is about 1.25 USDT. So now, as you can see, I have about 5,000 FMC, which is about 2.5. So for each person you refer, you're getting 1.25 FMC token. So now, for you to actually withdraw, you need to refer between 11, let's just say 11 people and above. And here is what I want you to understand. You remember when I placed my withdrawal, I swapped to BNB. That was because the fee was very low. If you refer 11 people and you want to withdraw, you will need to use USDT. And here's what you have to do first. Once you swap your token to USDT, I explained at the beginning of this video, you are not swapping to BNB. You're swapping to this coin, which is PN coin. So once you swap to it, you need about 20 of this coin to actually withdraw. It's going to be charged as fee. So now you will tap on buy. You'll buy it with all the USDT you have. Now let's say it amounts to about 50 PN token. So you're going to sell only 30 back. You understand what I'm saying? And you need a minimum of 10 USDT to withdraw. So let's say just refer 15 people, and if you refer 15 people, you're going to get, now let's do the maths. If it is 1.25 per referral in USDT times 15, you're going to get 18.75. So 20 PN is about, presently at the moment of making this video, is about, if I want to sell, okay, if I'm buying 20, is about 4.24 USDT. So if you refer 15 people, you'll be charged 4.24. You still have about 14 USDT left for 15 referrals, and that is pretty good. So now for you to get your referral link, all you have to do is to get back to your home page, tap on your profile again. Now tap on referral. I don't know if this is going to be available for a very long time, but it is presently available. So you can get your referral link from here and your referral code from here as well. So now let me tap on your referral list. You can actually check them from here. I have about 231, but not all is verified. The verification takes a very long time, let's say about 24 hours, and most time is going to be rejected. So be ready to do it over and all over again. I think that is all you need to know about this app and actually how to earn. Now, if you do not know how to refer, you have no excuse whatsoever. You just need to learn what works for you. You need to learn how to refer, because the truth is, if you want to make money online for free, most especially for free, you need to learn how to refer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this is what you love, do not forget to like the video and drop a comment in the comment section. I'm replying to every single comment. I want to say a big thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.